Hello and welcome back to another mind-blowing video on nails. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time and location. You're most welcome to my channel Hair Lounge, a channel that always brings to you latest and trending hairstyles and nail designs. So if you're just coming across my channel for the first time, or you have been watching my videos, maybe you have been watching the video where you have subscribed, please do subscribe, okay? Do join us today by smashing the subscribe button. Also remember to turn on your bell notification so that you don't get to miss our videos immediately we uploaded in the channel. Trust me, you can't afford to miss our videos because we bring nothing but most stylish and trending nail designs and hairstyles. To my returning viewers, thanks for sticking around, thanks for always coming back to watch our videos. We do not take for granted. Guys, we love you so much and please keep supporting us and we'll keep bringing elegant and trending videos to you. Thank you so much as you join us. So guys, today we have most stylish and cute nail designs for my ladies. Gorgeous nails idea for elegant ladies. So guys, watch this video from beginning to the end. You're gonna be discovering beautiful nails ideas, simple nail arts. You get to see small, medium and long size of nails here, different sizes, different shapes. So if you're looking for a beautiful nail idea, this video is highly recommended for you because you're gonna be seeing a lot of them in this video. So if you're looking to make a very beautiful manicure on your nails, this channel is your go-to destination. We have lots and lots of stunning videos on hairstyles, on nails, Christmas nails, chrome nails, bridal nails. Just go check them out and you'll be glad, of course. So guys, as you watch our videos, do like, comment and share. Okay, wait for a lovely comment in the comment section. Just tell us, will you be trying any of these nails? Let us know in the comment section. And so we'll be looking forward to see you again on our next video. Bye.